Imagine harnessing the power of data, transforming it into visually compelling insights. Welcome to Microsoft Power BI for Business Data Analytics training by Only Quality Data. This comprehensive course opens the door to the world of business analytics using Power BI, a leading tool developed by Microsoft. Dive deep into advanced functionalities and features that are key in business data analytics. Experience a blend of conceptual learning and hands-on exercises, working with large datasets, performing complex transformations, and generating meaningful reports and dashboards. Beyond that, learn to create customized visuals and tap into advanced analytics features to forecast trends and make data-driven decisions. From beginner to pro, no prior knowledge or experience is required. You'll have unlimited access to course materials, even after the training ends. So, are you ready to decode the language of data with Power BI? Enroll today and step into a world where data speaks volumes. Only Quality Data awaits your arrival.